In this video, I will show you what are the solutions when HP laptop not turning on caps lock, blinking 3 times. Let's get started. When the caps lock key on an HP laptop blinks 3 times, it usually indicates a hardware-related problem. In most cases, this blinking pattern points to an issue with the laptop's memory, also known as RAM. The RAM may be loose, dirty, improperly seated, or in some situations, damaged. Fortunately, there are a couple of effective solutions you can try before seeking professional repair. The first solution is to reset and clean the RAM module. Begin by pressing and holding the power button to completely switch off your laptop. Once the laptop is powered off, flip it over and carefully remove the back cover to access the internal components. Locate the RAM module and gently remove the memory stick from its slot. Using a soft, clean cloth, lightly dipped in petrol or thinner, carefully clean the metal contacts of the RAM. After cleaning, reinsert the memory stick firmly into its slot, making sure it is properly seated. Close the back cover, turn the laptop upright, and press the power button to switch it back on. Monitor the laptop for a few minutes to check if the caps lock blinking issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, the next step is to run a Windows Memory Diagnostic test. Click on the Start button and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic. Once it appears, select it and click on Restart Now and check for problems. Your laptop will restart automatically and the memory test will begin. After the test is complete, Windows will display a message showing the results. If no errors are found, your RAM is likely in good condition. However, if the test detects memory issues, it is recommended to replace the faulty RAM module, and that's it.